Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to hide like count on Instagram. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once in there, make sure you've logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now, if you have already made a post, you can just directly head over there. And if there is not, then just try to make a post. Let's say I'm gonna post a photo from here. Let's say this photo, and then tap on next. Tap on next again. And here go to more options. And here you will find the option of hide the like count on this post. So tap or tool it on. So yeah, this is how you can hide like count on Instagram post, and you can just share it now. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.